Hey guys, welcome back to Cheap Lazy Naturals. If you're new here, please hit that notification bell and subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified when we release weekly videos and everything to do with hair, basically DIYs, cute hairstyles, and tips on how to care for your hair. So today's video is gonna be about how I achieved this really cute high puff front fringe situation. If you are interested in knowing how I turned a week-old crusty ass two-strand twist, stay tuned so I can give you the tea, girl, so you can be looking all cute out here. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I pretty much started out this very cute style off of old hair, not washed, not clean. That is a week old. It's basically a twist, a two-strand twist that I wore throughout for the week. And now it's at the end of the week and I just want to get, you know, another cute style out of it before wash day comes around. So I think it's a fairly straightforward style to replicate and watch. I don't think I need to do a lot of explaining. I pretty much moisturize my hair, section it off into a bang, and then the rest of the puff, and then I do my edges, as you'll see. I create the puff and then I basically lay the bang in the way that I would like it to look. So I'm just gonna let you guys follow along. It's very simple, very easy. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope that you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if it was super helpful to you. Let us know if you'll try out the style. We are on social media. We're on Instagram and we have a Facebook page, so please like those and follow us on Instagram. If you try any of our styles, like maybe this one or anything from Jojo or myself, please be sure to tag us. We would love to see how these styles work out for you guys, because we all have different hair and different hair textures and such. So remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos and hit the notification bell so you are the first to be notified whenever we upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.